Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Impact Affiliate, track partnerships and earnings step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type impact.com and press enter. Once the Impact homepage loads, locate the login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the first input field. In the second field, input your password. Make sure to check the Remember Me option if you want your device to retain your login details for future access. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be directed to your Impact dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the dashboard. To track your partnerships and earnings, navigate to the Reports section on the left side of the screen. Click on Reports to access various tracking options. Select the specific report you want to view, such as partnerships or earnings. Choose the time frame for the data you wish to analyze. Once you've made your selections, click Generate Report. The system will process your request and display the relevant data. You can download or export your report if needed. If you encounter any issues logging in, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access. By following these steps, you can easily log into Impact and monitor your partnerships and earnings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.